Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to make a default browser in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search option. Here type default apps. Here we can see default apps. Click on this. Set default for applications. Okay. Click on here Google Chrome. Okay. We can see Google Chrome here and click on this option. And here we can see make Google Chrome your default browser. Click on set default. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.